Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Tony. I hope you are doing well. Today, I would like to do a fun video with you. In this video, I will go over my top favorite lucky houseplants for this year, 2024. It is almost Lunar New Year, so that's what made me decided to put this video out there. I hope you guys enjoy. The first plant is Lucky Bamboo. So this plant is normally found in most big box stores. It is a Dracaena. The belief in the plant's luck bringing properties stem from its association with Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on harmonizing individuals with their surrounding. One reason why lucky bamboo is considered lucky is its resilient nature and ability to thrive in various conditions. The number of stalks in a lucky bamboo arrangement also holds significance. For example, 3 stalks symbolizes happiness, wealth, and longevity, while 5 stalks represent the 5 elements of balance. The snake plant is another popular plant associated with luck and positive energy. This is also known as the mother-in-law's tongue or viper's bowstring hemp. The snake plant has gained a reputation for being an auspicious and beneficial addition to homes. One reason for its lucky connotation is its ability to purify the air by removing toxin. The snake plant is strong, resembling a snake posture, which is considered symbolic of resilience and strength. In Feng Shui, the plant is believed to absorb negative energy and promote positive vibes, creating a harmonious environment. Like the lucky bamboo, the snake plant's low maintenance requirements make it a practical and enduring choice for those seeking good luck in their homes. Its ability to thrive in various conditions and its resistant to neglect align with the concept of enduring fortune, making the snake plant a favored symbol in many cultures for attracting luck, prosperity, and positive energy into living spaces. The next plant is the jade plant, also known as Crassula ovata. So this plant is very popular in Chinese traditions because of its appearance. The leaves are coin-like and resembles the growth of wealth and prosperity. In Feng Shui practices, the jade plant is considered a great addition to homes and businesses. Its green, vibrant leaves are associated with the wood element, representing growth, vitality, and new beginnings. Placing a jade plant in the southeast corner of a space, which corresponds to wealth and abundance in Feng Shui, is believed to attract financial luck and business success. Like the other plants, this plant has the ability to thrive with minimal care, making it a popular choice for collectors. The money tree plant is also known as Pachiria aquatica, gaining popularity as a symbol of good luck and prosperity in various cultures. This belief is deeply rooted in its appearance, featuring a braided trunk and distinctive 5 lobe leaves that are believed to resemble hands holding onto wealth. In Chinese tradition, the money tree is often associated with a legend of a poor farmer who discovered the plant in his field. After taking it home, he experienced a significant improvement in his financial situation. In Feng Shui, the money tree is placed in homes and offices to attract positive energy and financial prosperity. The plant is believed to enhance the flow of qi or life force and promote good luck and wealth accumulation. Last plant on this list is the ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamiococcus zamiifolia. In Feng Shui, the ZZ plant is believed to bring positive energy and financial success to the spaces it inhabits. Its glossy, dark green leaves are thought to symbolize the accumulation of wealth and represent the wood element, which again fosters a sense of growth and vitality. Its low maintenance are seen as symbolic of endurance and strength, contributing to the plant's reputation as a bringer of good fortune. 2024 is the year of the wood dragon. It will bring a lot of luck to most of us who are in the plant community. I hope you guys have a wonderful and fulfilling 2024. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it entertaining or enjoy the information that was given. Again, this is Tony. Please take care of yourself and your plants, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.